Good morning. Happy Sabbath. Happy day of rest. This is the prodigal daughter recording her first video in a long time on a walk in Farragut, Tennessee. I am here to celebrate the union of my cousin Kiana and Trevor Ferguson. It's an amazing walking path that I've discovered behind my hotel, the Sleeping. An amazing path has been made. The Greenway and Farragut within this mountain is amazing. It's amazing. It's right beside the interstate, as you can hear, but it's a beautiful greenway. And when I come back through, I'll get a video of the birds chirping.